Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another game at Three Rivers Airsoft. Today primarily we'll be assaulting the prison. So my scope cam from this go at Three Rivers ended up having some issues. At the end of this video, it just straight records white. In the previous game, it just cut out halfway through, and the last game, it literally just didn't record at all. So unfortunately, some of the upcoming content is not going to have scope cam, but that's okay. Today I'll be using my MK18 with my N7 milsim engine. I got a new bucking in there, which is the AirTac Customs Black. All of the specs for my gun and stuff, it'll be down in my description if you want to check it out, pick all of that up for yourself. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and it helped me out a ton. And yeah, enjoy. And again, sorry about not really having scope cam footage for some of this. It's just unfortunate, but you do what you can.
I don't want to do this, dude.
Alright, we got some on the flanks.
Up here, these logs.
Right here. Watch out. These guys start shooting at us. Yeah, they got kids and bus. Alright guys, let's move! Move on them! Alright, hey, move up to these logs, Root. One moving, straight ahead. Little brick building. Gilly moving, Gilly. Right side.
Gilly in front, Gilly cloud.
Gilly right side. He's shooting us. Gilly right side.
So at this point, really just trying to get everyone set up and identify where everyone's at, so we can start flanking and moving in on them.
Roop, I need you to try to kill a Gilly. Roop, down. Where? Okay. Okay, stay low, stay low.
I see him. Sure do.
Roop's killing one.
Right there. I'm pretty sure, sure in that line. Unless there's...
Okay, shh. Noise discipline.
I'm gonna really slow down a shot so you can see how insanely close I was to hitting him. Literally millimeters. This time though I get him, but he doesn't call
The
it.
Gilly's still there. Hey guys, there's a Gilly behind the tree here. Roop, push down the valley, Roop.
There's a Gilly behind you too somewhere. Where?
No, it's...
Is he red? I see him. Got him.
He's not dead.
Is he not?
He should be.
I thought Roop got him. Oh, he's up the shore, right?
Dude, call your hit!
Yeah, right.
Just stay low, move slowly, and move one at a time.
Alright, now that we got a couple of the guys off the flank, me and as you can see Brendan down here, we're gonna start trying to assault up to the prison and clear it out so our team can get up there.
Uh-oh.
The key to doing this effectively is just staying super low, moving very slowly, moving from cover to cover, and I try to get as close to this hill as I can because it protects me from any view from the prison itself, so I don't have to really worry about my flank, but just moving super slowly, super deliberately, and just trying to stay out of anyone's point of view so we can catch him by surprise. With the flank more or less cleared out, I can now assault the prison head on and try to take out this kid up in the tower who actually is quite a problem. He needs to be kicked off of Three Rivers. He kind of questionably shot, but then later on this game, which unfortunately my GoPro and scope cam died, he was cheating, and then in another game, which you'll see soon, he was just blatantly crashing out. He got hit, just started full autoing people. I straight up didn't know this until I saw his footage. I thought he was just bad at shooting.
Hey,
This guy, he cheats right now. On my third BB, I shoot him directly in the helmet. I'll try to slow it down for y'all.
Hey guys, light this kid up. Keep guns up on that tower. Hey, Roop, move up to the edge of fort. One up top, Adam. Up top. Long range, Roop, long range, down there. Hey guys, keep guns up on tower. Flip to auto. Alright, keep assaulting this. Get up there.
Tower's down.
Far building. Hey, there's still one close to tower.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is that cheater. If you see this guy at all, like, he's a problem. You'll see in another video how bad this guy is.
Yeah, we were fucked. Hold on.
Were you the blind firing?
Nobody's blind firing. What?
Alright, I'm gonna try to get in, okay? Hey, blue entry! Blue! Hey, get in here! Get these things out!
Blue.
Get these out! Get them out! Hey, Roop, grab that dummy and go!
Go.
Cover us!
Loading.
Roop, hurry! Guys, cover us!
Ready.
Go!
Go.
Go! Away!
My God.
With that primary objective obtained, I can reorient and try to help out my team to take the middle and just regain a little bit of control of the field.
Wood in front of tower.
And unfortunately, it's at this point where my scope cam decides to just die. But so I'll just leave up a little bit more gameplay. But if you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. But yeah, I'll see y'all.